Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. We are finally remodeling our house.
Yes, guys, we are finally going to be remodeling our house. We're going to be doing some
Makeover.
makeover. Yes, it has been on our mind for
For
a
a
while,
while.
and something has to force us to do it. So
Yes.
it's going to be an interesting series because we're going to be sharing some the prices of some of the
Materials we'll
materials,
be
especially for those
using.
who intend building this period. Yeah, some of the materials will include like cement, POP paint,
Paints.
normal paint, plywood, yeah, general material for screeding generally. So I'm going to be sharing the info with you and the various price. I'm going to take you guys alongside to the market
Every
as
step
well.
of the way. So this is just like the first video in this series. In today's video, we're going to be showing you the state of things and why we've made this decision. Then I think we'll also be giving you an idea of what we plan to achieve at the end of this thing. So this is going to be so exciting and we can't wait to take you guys along with us.
So guys, if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for the channel. And do not forget to give us
your thoughts
in comment section.
on it.
Yeah. Share the various estimates we've gotten from about 2 vendors. So you just tell us which you
because
think is
things
best.
are really expensive. Like guys, at this point we're even thinking of going back. Things are so expensive.
So guys, we're going to be taking you inside in a bit to show you the issue we are currently having, and you know now different vendors with their different remedy strategy. So share with us in the comment section the best remedy for such situation. If you have experienced it before, or if you even know how to remedy it, just share with us the best strategy or the best vendor
you think we should go with.
You understand? So let's go inside and see what it is. So this is what the parlor looks like generally. It's so
simple and straightforward.
And you know, we hardly spend time at home. So well, now that we decided that we want to be resting in Enugu very well, we want to give it an entire facelift. First, we're going to be screening the wall and
repainting
a new paint entirely, changing the color of the paint entirely.
I think we found out that the major issue we have was the color of the paint.
Yeah, the color of the paint is an issue, just that we've not paid close attention to it before. But now I want to change it to white.
White,
so
yes.
What do you guys think? Looking at this board we have in the house, I see even writing in some portion of
the wall. Like you can see, we had to get that board for him so he can leave our wall alone.
So changing it to
white.
And doing a POP screening, doing screening on it as well. And after of that, we're going to be doing the trending normal shelving that goes on wall-to-wall brackets. I'm going to buy some plywood to do that. Here you hang the TV with the LED light display and everything. So I'm going to be doing that on the wall as well, just to give it a little facelift, So I'll be up to down and wide enough, So that's what we're going to be doing, changing some basic things here. So this is what it looks like before. So the picture we have in mind, by the time we are done with this design, it's going to be very
different and beautiful.
Spoken to quite some vendors, about 2 or 3 vendors who have given us different quotations, and these quotations we'll be sharing with you, and the various prices are locked into this plywood and all the stuff you're going to be using. We'll be sharing it with you guys at the end of the video, so you guys can also advise us. Of course, there are price disparity, but then we also look at competence and other things at the side of the vendors to know who is going to get the job at the end of the day. And be rest assured, we're going to take you guys along to the market to see how the materials are. We're going to be pricing it by ourselves in the market together. So we're going to take you guys alongside. So, but basically, wall-to-wall cursor is going to be done here. So, giving this place an entire facelift. So we'll be going in and let me show you guys other things, other changes we are anticipating in this renovation process of the house. One of the reasons why we have to do an entire facelift in the house and screed the wall, we just suddenly started observing that it's raining season, as you know, so that the wall started peeling off. Come closer. You observe, yeah, this is the washing machine area, started peeling off. So
you can see the wetness on the wall.
It's wet. So we had to, like we mentioned earlier.
And this is even worse in the bedroom.
Yeah, we're going to be taking you guys to the bedroom to see how it is. So this stuff started happening, the paint falling off, and even the the cement started falling off, so we have about 3 vendors who have given us estimate on this, actually, on how they are going to remedy this, because I had to tell them I need someone who can actually resolve the conflict here, because I don't want to just come and replaster, paint again, and later on it will be happening. So all of this region is actually happening here. So they've all given me their remedy strategy. So if you have experienced this in your house before, kindly let us know in the comment section how you remedied it. And so different vendors to their different strategy of remedying the situation. So let us know the best remedy if you have experienced this before.
So this is the bedroom. We'll be showing you the wall now so that you can see.
Yeah, so like we said, this stuff just started happening, and
well, I think one of the vendors said it's fungi.
Yeah, one of them, the remedy he profiled was fungi. I said he needs to apply anti-fungi. So as you can see, this just started happening, and it's not funny. The site, I don't even like the site at all. It's not nice. So it's going to be using waterproof cement, the normal cement, then sand. So I just feel that strategy is just to replaster, which I don't know how
effective that one is going to be.
You understand? So, but the second person says going to scrape first, apply anti-fungi. I don't know, anti-fungi called it. After anti-fungi has been applied, he said he's going to use acrylics. I don't know what it is actually. Then he's also going to use the sand. He's not using sand. He's going to use POP paint. He's going to use the conventional paint, and he's going to use the waterproof cement as well. Okay, so with that combination, we're not going to experience this stuff again. So if you have ever experienced this, so which of the strategy do you think is going to work better for issues like this? So let us know in the comment section, so we can also apply your strategy or get a vendor who will work based on you that have experienced this before. So let us know in the comment section. So for the parlor, we have 2 vendors that give us quotation for the parlor, just to how the total face looks, like I mentioned earlier. One said 250k and the other one said 190, and it's similar pictures we are showing them. So I don't know why one is 50. So but actually the one for 250 said he is buying a board. I don't know the way they measure their board, so we take you guys to the market obviously. So the board is 25k for one, and they're going to be using about six boards. So see, that's what is taking bulk of the money. Combined with the taping, they are going to do and all of those plenty grammar they're speaking. But the second vendor said a board is 15,000. So probably that other one came down to 190k. You know, so but we're going to be going to the market together to know what the actual price is. You're going to see the finished work at the end of all of this renovation process, and I am going to love it. So guys, if you are new to our channel and you are not yet a subscriber, please do want to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you always know we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate you. So we're eagerly looking forward to your comments in the comment section, especially for that problem we showed you guys inside. We really want to provide solutions to that so that it does not happen again. So let's know what you think in the comment section. We'll catch you guys in our next video.
Bye.